जय जगन्नाथ दोस्तों, मैं स्वागत करता हूं मेरे न्यू वीडियो में। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे DSSB के प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस। तो हम डिस्कस करेंगे लाइब्रेरियन, जो कि पुराना वैकेंसी था, PYQs हम डिस्कस करेंगे। तो देखो क्या है कि इसके एग्ज़ाम पैटर्न में पहले सेक्शन में आ जाता है जनरल अवेयरनेस, रीजनिंग, न्यूमेरिकल मैथ, हिंदी, इंग्लिश, बेसिक क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, और लाइब्रेरी एंड पोस्ट स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चन 100 क्वेश्चंस रहते हैं। तो आज हम क्या करेंगे, ये जो 100 क्वेश्चंस हैं इन्हें डिस्कस करेंगे। देखो पहला क्वेश्चन क्या है, इंफॉर्मेशन इज ए। तो इंफॉर्मेशन क्या है, कम्युनिकेटिंग ऑफ न्यूज़, नॉलेज और फैक्ट्स। तो हो जाएगा ऑप्शन ए। देन 102, विच जनरेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर यूजेस ट्रांजिस्टर। ट्रांजिस्टर यूज़ करते हैं सेकेंड जनरेशन। देखो पहले जनरेशन में हम क्या यूज़ करते थे, वैक्यूम ट्यूब्स, उसके बाद आया ट्रांजिस्टर्स। थर्ड जनरेशन में आईसी। देन इन्फ्लिबनेट प्रोग्राम वाज इनिशिएटेड बाय, इट वाज इनिशिएटेड बाय यूजीसी ने शुरुआत की थी ये प्रोग्राम। यूनिटी ऑफ कमांड implies that subordinate should receive order from one senior only. Memory unit's function is to hold data, instructions, processed results. Indian Library Association was founded in the year, so this would be 1933. ठीक है। The main objective of the RRR-LF is to, तो RRR-LF का काम क्या है, मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है, to promote and support public library services in the country. Option B. LAN means local area network. ठीक है। Who was the first awardee of PhD in Library Science in India from University of Delhi? So ये हो जाएगा D.B. कृष्णा राव। ठीक है। IIT-LIS is an association of library science teachers in India. Feedback mechanism is a part of which service? SDI. ALA was established in 1876. नेक्स्ट देखो, यूनिवर्सल अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ पब्लिकेशन इज ए प्रोग्राम ऑफ। सो ये हो जाएगा इफ्ला। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखो, which one of the following protocol is used in transferring file over internet? So हम यूज़ करते हैं FTP, इसका मतलब है फाइल ट्रांसफर प्रोटोकॉल। Which of the following is not a secondary source of information? क्वेश्चन में दिया है क्या, नॉट ए सेकेंडरी सोर्स ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन। तो पेटेंट्स होते हैं प्राइमरी सोर्स। बाकी जो दिया है एनसाइक्लोपीडिया, टेक्स्ट बुक, ये सब सेकेंडरी। कॉलम क्लासिफिकेशन इज ए सिस्टम ऑफ लाइब्रेरी क्लासिफिकेशन डेवलप्ड बाय S.R. रंगनाथन। मद्रास तमिलनाडु पब्लिक लाइब्रेरी एक्ट was enacted in the year 1948. Library of Congress is the National Library of USA. Information relating to defense studies are provided by, so defense studies research DECIDOC. School, college and university libraries constitute, ये हो जाएगा academic libraries. Which of the following आर द सर्च इंजन। देखो ऑल द अबव, तीनों सर्च इंजन है। Bern Convention is associated with copyright. Library building is the result of cooperation between the librarian and the architect. Which of the following are the basic requirement for the library automation? Library automation, कंप्यूटर हार्डवेयर भी चाहिए, लाइब्रेरी सॉफ्टवेयर भी चाहिए, फाइनेंस एंड ऑल द वो होगा ये। कॉल नंबर जनरली कंसिस्ट ऑफ क्लास नंबर, बुक नंबर एंड कलेक्शन नंबर। नेक्स्ट, ओपैक स्टैंड्स पर ऑनलाइन पब्लिक एक्सेस कैटलॉग। ISSN consists of 8 digits. The catalog card has been standardization at catalog card का size क्या है? 8.5 into 12.5 centimeter. A person who receives the message is receiver. The mathematical theory of communication developed by Shannon and Weaver. Which one of the following is set up by ICSSR? ये हो जाएगा NASDAQ. A facility through which messages can be exchanged electronically by computer network is called email. Damaged books which cannot be repaired or withdrawn from the library is known as weeding out. जो भी डैमेज होगा उसे निकाल देना। A client server based distribution hypertext and multimedia information system on the internet is called World Wide Web. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं, OCLC was established in the year, ये हो जाएगा 1967. The mark tag 250 is for edition area. Which of the following is not a library housekeeping operation? Book exhibition. AGRIS is an international information system for agricultural science and technology. A binary is usually represented as, तो बेसिकली बाइनरी मतलब क्या, दो ही कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं, ओके, 0 एंड 1, बेसिकली यही दो होते हैं, ठीक है। सो इसमें से कौन सा ऑप्शन हो जाएगा बाइनरी के लिए? ऑप्शन सी, कार्डेक्स. कार्डेक्स इज फॉर मेंटेनिंग विजिबल रिकॉर्ड्स ऑफ periodicals. The oral communication is also called as verbal communication, ठीक है। Facebook is a social networking service. Which of the following is correct about e-books? E-books means electronic book, ठीक है, electronic version of book that are delivered to consumer in digital format. Libflix software was developed by Libflix Corporation. Internet Explorer is a web browser. The word information comes from Latin word, okay. Language barrier is overcome by translation service. Which of the following is not related with the communication system? Entropy. Which of the following is not the function of library maintenance section? Library software installation. Which of the following can be considered as formal channel of communication? So, books, periodicals, conference proceedings, this can be said as the formal channel of communication. So, it should be option A. The term, next question, the term hypertext was coined by, the term hypertext was coined by Ted Nelson. A financial statement of the estimated revenue and expenditure of an institution is a definite period of time is known as budget. कितने साल में कितना खर्चा करना है. ISLIC was founded in the year 1955. Universal Bibliographic Control was program of IFLA. The concept of management by objective was propounded by Peter Drucker. First university in the country that started MLib science is University of Delhi. Raja Ram Mohan Roy Library Foundation established by Ministry of Culture. Who is considered as the father of the classical school? Henry Fayol. Which law of library science emphasizes on library working hour? Second law. Every reader his or her book. So, library should be open at hours convenient to the users. Douglas MacGregor is known for the theory of X and Y. The person associated with the public library in the state of Baroda, Maharaj Sayaji Rao Gaikwad. In Delivery of Books Act in India was passed in the year 1954. So, next question, who started the best reading for the largest number at the least cost? So, this statement was given by Melville Davey. Indian books in print. Is a trade bibliography. Visual representation of the spread or distribution of data is known as histogram. Which of the following is a metadata search engine? Dogpile. Next, InSpec database covers physics and engineering. Association of Special Library and Information Bureaus is the special library of, ये हो जाएगा UK. The service that keeps its users well informed and up to date with current literature of their field of basic interest is known as current awareness service. Which of the following is the oldest and largest association in the world? ALA, American Library Association. Paul Otlet and Henry LaFontaine were instrumental in the establishment of FID. Original scientific paper describing new research technique and apparatus is termed as primary source. A publication which is issued annually for the purpose of current information is narrative, statistical or directory form is known as yearbook. National Union Catalogue of Scientific Serials in India is known as Union Catalogue. DDC was first published in 1876. Next, Rules for Dictionary Catalogue was published in 1876 by C.A. Cutter. Self list is used for the purpose of stock verification. Who introduced Brownie charging method? Nina Brownie. INDEST is a library consortia. Next, subject catalog is a catalog of subject entries. Which of the following is not a input device? Not a input device. Printer. Reference service is the process of establishing right content between a reader and his document in a personal way. It's stated by S.R. Ranganathan. Library exhibitions are considered as one of the form of extension service. Employing persons to work in an organization to fit into position with a well defined job description is called recruitment. Karnataka Public Library Act was enacted in the year. (1967). Referral service is direct user to a resources of information. Lexicon refers to dictionary. Electronic documents are collection of documents stored in electronic form. Information literacy, the ability to recognize when information is needed and have the ability to locate, evaluate and use effectively the need of information. तो इसे कहते हैं इंफॉर्मेशन लिटरेसी. A program or a set of instruction used on a computer system for data processing is called software. Mnemonics means to remember. Mnemonics means to remember. What is internet? Network of network, scattered all over the world. Notation system in UDC, mixed notation. A firewall rejects access request from unsafe sources. internet context of information search and or and not. Operators in searching. In the acronym POST-CORP, the letter P stands for planning. If a library budget does not take into account of what happened in the past but emphasize on the current activities, is called zero based budgeting, which is not the part of the ISBN. Link digit. Which of the following is the book selection tools? Publisher catalog, bookseller list, national, all the above. Dichotomy refers to division into टू। इस वीडियो में इतना ही। इस वीडियो में हमने 100 क्वेश्चंस कंप्लीट किए। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में और कुछ हम क्वेश्चंस लाएंगे और प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। ठीक है, थैंक यू, हैव अ ग्रेट डे।